He's having a whale of time knocking the trees down. Sure enough, he's coming, here he comes. Oops, that's another one down. Come on, boy. Where are you going? Morning! Sorry.
He's just young, he's not very old.
No, he's not.
Mine is. Oh my word.
He's a bit frustrated this morning.
Yeah.
Here he comes.
He's going to go at these trees.
Are you not happy with
No,
them
he's not
being here?
happy at all, is he?
He's a little bit demented, he is.
You got a photo of him, Mary?
Oh, I've got a photograph.
All right.
Go on, go and play. Be a good boy.
Oh, bye. Look at it. You've got to watch him.
He's still in us to get out.
Wow.
So if he's in full charge,
Yeah.
those ear flaps will be flattened on the body.
Oh yeah.
Then he will tuck in his trunk and bend a little bit.
So you get out, you
towards
know.
the object in full speed. Yeah. So when you see that, that's when you know that you have to drive away from him.
You know you're in trouble.
Rather quickly.